Hey, my name is Lowell. Sierra Hotel, India, Echo Lima, Delta. I can hear them all start to say my name, oh. But it's not about the money or the fame, no. No, it's all about me just doing my thing.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Shield Doctor, and today we had a guest speaker like we do every year, talking about the bullying and not giving up and all that kind of stuff. There's that. I noticed it up there. Hold on. Oh well. Basically, what it was oh fine. Basically, what it was a really inspirational thing. I didn't get much of the guy's speech, but they had a cover band type thing. And it was really cool, it was really mind-blowing, and just wait till the end. It has some silly dancing people. Just wait till the end, because what this guy says, he did repeat a little bit of what the speech was. To you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment. I was gonna have a stupid hashtag meme, but no. But stick around, I want you guys to hear what he says in the end. Yeah, shut up.
I'm blind. On the light flashing.
The lights are freaking bright.
The lights are perfect. It flashed me.
One curve actually dancing to this. That's very much not. It's just them.
You see, we travel all the time and we talk to students and we encourage them, don't to give up, but to keep going, to keep working. And I don't know how you felt this year when contracts came up. Maybe you looked at that and you thought, what's it even matter? Am I even making a difference? Listen, from a dad who had a son who couldn't go to school. And there was one man that showed up at my house every single day. He would sit across the kitchen table with my son and he would teach him to read. And when he'd work on his math, and work on his English, and work on his science. And I want to tell you, if it was not for that man that believed some days more in the dream of my little boy than I did, I don't know where my son would be today. So yeah, you are meant. You might hear the words, don't worry. Because everything's going to be okay. And we believe. You guys have been incredible. You've been awesome. Thank you so much for letting us tell our stories to you today. Thank you so much for letting us be here. Big up for Lowell. We got one more song for you guys. I'm on my way, driving and dirty down those country lanes. Tasted the sweet perfume of mountain grass so well. When I was younger, take me back to where I found my heart, made friends and lost them through the days. And I've not seen the rolling fields in so long.
suspended by these people listening. I can't wait to go on my way. I still remember those old country lanes when we did not know the answers. It's the way we feel. It's still me. Was the sunset over the tracks of my head?
She thought that we wanted to go back to class.
I want to dare somebody to dance like with their favorite teacher or something.
Nope.
Let's get funky.
No.
I know it's right.
And wait. Like everyone's standing except for us now.
Sing with me. I got this feeling.
Oh god, my favorite verse.
It goes electric, baby.
Guys, stop recording.
All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up no ceiling when we in our zone. But yeah, that's my pocket, something in my feet. I'm in my pocket, it's out. Can't take my eyes off it. It's open up the night. I'm a baby rocket, don't stop. Under the lights when everything goes. No matter how close, yeah. When we move,
I have to edit that part out now. Great.
Meme dance.
They're doing the meme dance. I mean,
Let's get top that.
Alright, I don't know what you want to say. It's just,
Is this you and me? You
Yeah.
gonna be on the screen?
yeah,
So this is your YouTube channel.
yeah.
Okay.
I only got the last part of it, but not very much of it either, so.
Okay. Let's lift it up so you don't see all my chins. I want people to think I'm skinny and all in shape and stuff.
No, that's me.
Are you gonna talk first? Or
I don't know what
Okay.
to say.
What's your name?
AJ.
Okay. Hey, my name is Lowell. I'm here with my friend AJ. And listen, we just got done with the school program, and I told a story about my son. And they told my son that he would never walk again, and that he would never run, and that he would never be able to do the things that he wanted to do. But you know what? As I stand here with AJ, I bet you people have told you the same type of things in your life.
Every
But you
day.
know what? Absolutely. But you know what? It's not true. My son, he runs, he plays sports, he does everything that he wants to do. And I know sometimes life will knock you down and it will tear you down. It will put its foot on your throat. It will hold you to the ground. All you got to do is get up. You've got to fight. You fight with everything that's in you. AJ, you fight with everything that's in you because I believe in you. All right? All right. Thank you. Thanks, buddy.
You have a good
It's an
one.
honor.
Growing up, parents got me a guitar. Said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kid, so shoot for the stars. So I strummed that guitar every day. Found a passion for music, never went away. I joined a couple bands and played a few shows. Tried to impress the girl in the front row. But soon enough, everything starts to change. As you grow up, nobody treats you the same. They try to take your future and make it real safe. You could be a doctor, accountant, or something sane. But yo, whatever happened to the sky was the limit. I fell in love with music, never thought it was a gimmick. I worked so hard on every tune and every single lyric. My whole identity depended on being artistic. Now you wanna strip that away so you feel okay? Cause if I make it to the top, what does that really say? That you shouldn't have given up, that you made the mistake? But if I fail, you feel much better about picking your lane, right? Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should.
It's an honor having you.
Catch 'em all.